If you want your iPhone to speak when you plug it in to charge, you can easily set this up using the Shortcuts app on iPhone. Here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the App Store. Once you're inside, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Now tap Create Personal Automation. Then scroll down and select Charger. From here, choose Is Connected and make sure Run Immediately is selected. Tap Next, then tap New Blank Automation or Add Action. In the search bar, type Speak Text and select it. Now tap on the text field and enter the message you want your iPhone to say. For example, charging started. After that, tap Done to save your automation. That's it. Now, every time you plug your iPhone into a charger, it will automatically speak your custom message. This is a fun and useful feature, especially if you want audio confirmation that your device is charging. So yeah, that's how you make your iPhone speak when plugged in easily.